Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let's be honest, your pocket knife is probably one of the most personal pieces of gear you own. It's not just a tool, it's a companion for daily adventures, a piece of engineering art, and a statement about how you solve problems. But today, we're moving beyond the standard clip-point blade on a generic handle. We're on a hunt for the extraordinary, the innovative, the conversation-starting pieces of pocket jewelry that also happen to be incredibly capable. We're diving into the world of novel designs. Knives that make you look twice, that feel different in the hand, and that bring pure joy to use. Let's get into the countdown. Number 10, Opinel No. 08. Kicking off our list at number 10 is a masterpiece of less is more. The Opinel No. 08 isn't just a knife. It's a 130-year-old design that has never needed an update. Picture this. A handle carved from natural beechwood that warms to your touch, paired with a razor-sharp carbon steel blade that patines with your adventures, telling your story. But the true genius is in its legendary Viroblock safety ring. A simple twist locks the blade rock solid or allows it to fold safely. A mechanism so elegant and effective it's barely been touched since 1890. This is the knife you take on a picnic, used to whittle a stick by the campfire, or gift to someone as their first true blade. It teaches you that true innovation sometimes means perfecting the simple things, and it remains utterly unique in a world of overcomplicated gear. Number 9. CRKT Drifter. This knife makes its statement immediately with its most distinctive feature, a deeply swept recurve blade shape. This isn't just for looks, this is physics put to work. That pronounced inward curve creates a natural rocking motion during a cut, allowing the sharpest part of the edge to engage material longer and with more control. Slicing through thick cardboard, rope, or packaging tape feels less like a chore and more like the blade is gliding through on rails. It's a design often seen on high-end tactical knives, but here it is, accessible to all. Complementing this aggressive blade is a no-nonsense flipper tab opener. With a simple push of your finger on the tab, the blade rockets out via the dependable IKBS bearing system, locking up with a confident and satisfying snap. The handle, often in textured stainless steel or GRN, provides a secure grip without being abrasive. The Drifter asks a simple question: why should unique, performance-oriented design be exclusive? It delivers a resounding answer by packing a serious, slicing-focused punch and a modern deployment into a package that is astonishingly affordable. It's the perfect gateway drug into the world of interesting blade geometries. Number 8. Böker plus Tech Tool City 1. In many metropolitan areas worldwide, locking blades are a legal gray area or outright prohibited. Most legal carry knives are afterthoughts, small, flimsy, and impractical. The Tech Tool City 1 shatters that notion. This is a modern, robust slip joint folder. It forgoes a locking mechanism to ensure compliance, but in its place, Böker has engineered incredible build quality and a brilliant half stop. When closing, the blade pauses securely at a 90-degree angle, a critical safety feature that prevents accidental finger guillotining. Its design is clean, almost architectural, with a stout blade crafted from reliable stainless steel. You can open it smoothly via the nail nick, or with practice, flick it out one-handed with a wrist motion. It proves that legal doesn't mean lesser. This is a knife for the savvy urbanite who respects the law, but refuses to compromise on having a substantial, capable tool in their pocket. It's intelligent, sophisticated, and uniquely tailored for metropolitan life. Number 7. Laguiole-Style Folder. A genuine Laguiole-Style folder, pronounced Laguiole, transcends the definition of a tool. This is wearable heritage, a piece of craft history you can carry. Each knife is a testament to centuries of artisan skill. Imagine the weight in your hand. The handle, sculpted from rich, polished juniper wood, gleaming buffalo horn, or even exotic Amboina burl, each with a grain and character as unique as a fingerprint. Then, your eye is drawn to the iconic abele, the B, meticulously forged into the spring bar. This isn't mere decoration. It's the historic signature of the region's master cutlers, a symbol of quality and authenticity. Number 6. CIVIVI Button Lock Elementum 2. The best tools are a joy to interact with, even when you don't need them. The CIVIVI button lock Elementum 2 took the clean, minimalist silhouette of the wildly popular original Elementum and injected it with a dose of pure, interactive genius. The star of the show is the recessed button lock integrated seamlessly into the handle. The action this creates is nothing short of hypnotic. Deploy the blade via the flipper tab. It flies out smoothly on ceramic bearings. To close, simply press the button. The blade drops shut in a silky, magnetic, gravity-assisted fall that is impossibly satisfying. You will find yourself opening and closing it just to feel that flawless action. It is the ultimate fidget toy for the discerning adult. But it's not all fun and games. This iteration often comes with a superior steel like Nitro V, offering excellent edge retention and toughness for real-world use. The Elementum 2 didn't just add a new lock, it created a new sensory experience. It proves that novelty can be deeply rooted in tactile pleasure and flawless function, making the simple act of retrieving your knife a small daily delight. Number 5. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Holding firm at number 5 is a legend, a benchmark against which countless other folding knives are measured. The Spyderco Paramilitary 2, or PM2, is iconic not for being flashy, but for being relentlessly, brilliantly thoughtful. Its novelty isn't a gimmick. It's a series of ergonomic and mechanical solutions so well executed they feel inevitable. First, the signature Spidey hole. This large, circular opening isn't just branding. It's the most versatile, intuitive, and glove-friendly opening mechanism ever devised. Your thumb finds it by instinct from any grip, allowing for lightning-fast, positive deployment. Then, there's the patented compression lock. This liner lock variant is positioned on the spine of the handle. The result? Incredible locking strength and the unique ability to close the knife one-handed with your fingers completely out of the blade's closing path. A major safety innovation. The handle, textured G10, is subtly canted and contoured to fill the hand perfectly during hard use. Every single element of the PM2 is the result of someone asking, how can this be better for the human using it? It's a knife that doesn't just get used, it cooperates. It becomes a seamless extension of your will, which is perhaps the highest and most profound form of unique design. Number 4. Benchmade 15032 North Fork. The Benchmade North Fork presents itself with undeniable old-world charm. Its handle is crafted from diamond wood, a stabilized and laminated wood composite that showcases beautiful, deep wood grain patterns, reminiscent of a classic hunting knife passed down through generations. It feels organic, warm, and trustworthy in the hand. But lift the blade, and you meet the 21st century. The heart of this knife is Benchmade's legendary axis lock. This dual-spring, ambidextrous mechanism is a marvel of engineering, strong enough to be considered a virtual fixed blade when locked, yet enabling buttery smooth, one-handed opening and closing. The blade steel is typically a high-end, corrosion-resistant option like S30V. This fusion is the North Fork's unique magic. It's equally at home processing tinder on a misty mountain trail as it is clipping to your chinos for a dinner in the city. It appeals to the part of us that longs for classic aesthetics, but demands the absolute reliability and performance that modern materials and mechanics provide. It's a hybrid, and a brilliantly successful one. Number 3. Benchmade 940 Osborne. This knife didn't just enter the market. It defined a category for the high-performance, slim-profile EDC. Its novelty is encapsulated in its iconic reverse Tonto blade. This shape provides a robust, reinforced tip for piercing, addressing a weakness of some slender blades, while maintaining a gracefully sweeping belly that is a sublime slicer. It's a problem-solving shape that is both unique and supremely functional. This blade is married to a handle profile that is the stuff of legend. Machined from anodized aluminum or carbon fiber in premium versions, it is astonishingly slim and lightweight. It disappears in your pocket, defying its substantial cutting capability. The deployment via the axis lock is snappy and addictive. Now, often available with Superstar CPM Magna Cut steel, it offers a near mythical combination of edge retention, toughness, and stain resistance. Number 2. Buck Range Elite. What if a knife was designed to do nothing but cut supremely well? The Buck Range Elite is the answer. It has sparked a phenomenon, with one prominent reviewer committing to carrying only this knife for the entirety of 2026. The reason is a fanatical, purist focus on performance. Its genius is in its geometry. The blade is ground spectacularly thin behind the edge. Most production knives have thick, convex grinds for durability. The Range Elite is a thin, slicing focused flat grind. The result? It falls through material with shocking, almost effortless ease. It's a scalpel, not a hatchet. This is paired with an exceptionally comfortable, neutral handle and a discreet deep carry clip. And underpinning it all is the Superstar steel, known for holding a wicked edge through tough use. There are no tactical aesthetics, no flashy deployment tricks. Its novelty is its radical, uncompromising commitment to being the absolute best pure cutting instrument possible. It is a silent, devastatingly effective revelation in your pocket. Number 1. FLISSA Front Flipper. This knife represents a fundamental shift in how you interact with your tool. In a world of thumb studs and spine-mounted flipper tabs, the front flipper offers a different, deeply engaging dialogue. The mechanism is a subtle, integrated lever or protrusion at the front of the blade, nestled within the handle's contour. Using the tip of your index finger, you press down and forward in a smooth, rolling motion. The blade pivots out not with a violent snap, but with a smooth, mechanical, and supremely satisfying snick. It feels secretive, intentional, and incredibly sleek. There's no external tab to snag. The profile remains clean and minimalist. This is often housed in a handle of carbon fiber layered over G10, providing stunning visual depth and a secure, lightweight grip. The FLISSA Front Flipper isn't just a tool you open. It's a mechanical ballet you perform in the palm of your hand. It demands a slight learning curve, rewarding you with a sense of mastery and a uniquely personal connection to the mechanism. For the true gadget lover, the design enthusiast, and the seeker of a different daily ritual, this is the undisputed pinnacle of novel EDC design.